Okay, so I've got some heat shrink cut and slid over my lead wires. Got them cut to length so that way when I go ahead and solder them on here, I just slide it up and over. I've already trimmed off all the excess, so right now what I'm about to do is go ahead and solder these. So I'm just going to put some flux on there. Put a drop here. Put a drop here. Got my gun heated up. Went the wick in there. And like this is all you got to do. Like I told you guys before, you want to use like the liquid gold flux. That bonds copper and aluminum, and you know, I use it for copper. I use it for all of them actually. So as you can see, those two are done. We put some flux on these two. It doesn't take but a drop of that stuff. Just gonna let it wick in there. There we go. I'll put a little bit more on this one. I'll let it wick into that one real good. There we go. All right. So turn my soldering iron back down. Now, as you can see if I can zoom in just a bit. There you go. Now the leads and the wires are soldered from the coil together. And then, like I said, now that I've got them clipped, once I slide the cone over the top of this, and I'll take these and bolt them back like so, glue them to the cone. All right, so that's got the coil and lead soldered together. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to get out some little alligator clamps to just to hold this in place so that I can solder these. And then I'll, once they're soldered, I'll slide the heat shrink over, and then just use my heating gun and heat up the shrink wrap there so that it just makes for a nice, clean appearance there.